Hey everyone, my name is Shwarya Pandey and welcome back to Programmers Point. Yes, I said programmers. I changed my channel's name. Kind of programmer sounded, kind of dumb. So I changed it to Programmers Point. Yeah, so last video, which was 3 months ago, I know I'm seriously posting after 3 months. So yes, so the last video, which was 3 months ago, we studied some of the more parts of Python, and we had a practical which we used, and it was quite nice. So now today we are going to try to finish off our Python tutorial, and just a little small notice I would like to give all of you. So if you want to hear that notice, and it's quite good, if you would like that notice, it's quite good, and I'll be telling the notice at the end of the video, so please stick around. You'll get to know everything. So right now we have done most of the things in Python, but the only thing which we haven't done are a few more points, and I'm going to be telling you how to do everything just now. So let me just open VS Code, or in your like I told every one of you VS Code. So yeah, you all must have VS Code. I just have VS Codium, which is kind of like an open source version of VS Code. Everything is going to be same, so you don't have to worry. So yeah, I'm just going to open up a new file actually in documents. Let me just make a folder. Just open this. Let's see if we have anything. No, we don't have anything. Okay, yeah, so that's good. So what is the first thing we are going to learn in this tutorial? The first thing we are going to learn is while loop, which is a kind of loop in Python. So what is a loop? Loop is a very easy concept in all of the programming languages really. So I'm just going to give you a brief. So what is a loop? So when you have to repeat a certain program multiple times, the way of saving your own time is the way of defining loops. So this is what loops are. Say you have to print a certain text, let's say in a dependency of 5 times. So instead of writing print hello world, and print hello world, you can write a loop. So now I'm just going to tell you how you can do that. So let's say that you have to, just like I gave the example, you have to print the string hello world 5 times. So what would you do? Now normally if you don't know about the while loop in Python, what you do is you would write print hello world. You would copy this, then you'll paste it 5 times. Isn't that correct? Most of you who don't know about the while loop will do something just very similar to this. Now I'm going to tell you how while loop is actually very good in terms of such things. So let me just delete all of these lines, and now I'm just going to teach you how you can use the while loop. So now let's say I'm going to make a variable called var. Var is equal to 6. Var is equal to 1, and just type while var is smaller than 6, print hello world. Just like that. Now now we haven't finished everything right yet. We have to close the loop, and to do that I'm just going to write var is equal to var plus 1. Save it, and now if I run it, as you can see, the terminal has printed hello world 5 times. As you can see, 5 times it has printed hello world. So now I'm just going to explain why did Python do this. So now what happened is that this variable called var has the string value of 1, the numerical value of 1, and now when Python scans through this, Python will come down. Here when he'll come down, he'll see, okay, while. So like when you speak in English and you say, while I was having dinner, she cooked the dishes. So just very similarly, Python is using the same concept over here. So what I have written is, while var is smaller than 6, print hello world, var is equal to var plus 1. So this means that while var, the value of var is less than 6, Python will has to print hello world that many times. But if I would have taken out this part, var is equal to var plus 1, then what would have happened? Now what would have happened is that var is equal to 1, that is defined, and now if I run this program, it should print hello world infinite number of times. It will keep on printing it. As you can see, it's going. It's not going to stop. As you can see the scroller over here, it's not even going to stop as much as I scroll, and that actually makes my PC lag. I'm just going to shut that down. So yes, okay, there's a lag. Yep, after that it always lags up my PC. So I'm just going to wait for a while. Hey, hi, back after lag. Yes, so as I was saying, because 1 is always going to be smaller than 6, so it will print hello world an infinite number of times. It won't even stop. So what I did over here in this, that is var is equal to var plus 1, is that whenever Python will go through this, first Python will come at this line. It will see, yeah, var is equal to 1, alright. Then he'll come to this line, while var is smaller than 6, okay, 1 is smaller than 6, so I'll have to print it infinite number of times if that's what you want, and I'll lag up your PC. And then he'll go down and he'll see print hello world as the string. So he'll get to know, okay, I have to print hello world as the string. Now when he'll go down, he'll see, okay, var is equal to var plus 1, meaning that every time I'll run this program, I'll have to add another number, not another, I have to add one more digit every time I run this program. So first time when it will run that program, it will be 1. So 1 is smaller than 6, so it will print hello world. Now second time, there's already 1 and var is equal to var plus 1, so 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so again it will print hello world. Third time, again 3, again 4, 5, just like that, and it will reach 6, where it will see that, oh no, 6 is equal to 6, so I don't have to print this much. Whatever I printed just before, that is the correct one, so yeah, it will stop like that. So this is the while loop in Python. Yeah, now let's go on to the next topic. Yes, so welcome back to the second part of our video. In this part, I'm going to be telling you about the Python dictionaries. So there's another part in Python called list and another part called tuples. Tuples, list, and dictionaries are exactly the same thing, uh, just a minor layout difference. And I'm just going to be telling you about the dictionaries right now. So, what are dictionaries? Now, in real life, dictionaries are a kind of book that saves all the information of different words. So now, say that you are writing a code which you have to develop to send an email, and there's this person, and there are these hundreds of contacts, and you want to see if your code can send the email to the contact. So you make a dictionary over here and you write the names of the people first. So for now, let's just imagine that the name of the person is Hotel and the email address of the person is Trivago. The name of the person is Like, and the email address of the person is You Know What to Do. Subscribe now, people. Uh, that's very thoughtful, actually. I think you should subscribe right now for more of these tutorials regularly. So yes, that was that. Now when you go down, then you see that I've printed programming dictionary Hotel and print programming dictionary Like. So this part has to this part is inside programming dictionary. So I'm first going to call up programming dictionary, and inside programming dictionary I'm talking about hotel. So I'm going to write hotel in square brackets, and it is always better and it is always good to write this part of the dictionary in capital letter. The first letter should be capital. So yes, that's that. Now if I run this program, as you can see uh, over here, hotel hotel is parallel with Trivago and Like is parallel with You Know What to Do. So that's what it did. It didn't print hotel and Like. It only printed Trivago and You Know What to Do. Subscribe now, people. So yeah, that's that. So this was the second part. Now let's move on to the third part. Yes, so here we are on the third part. Now let's get on with the third part without wasting any more time. What's this? There's just some problem. Yeah, so let's go on. Wait. I think there is some kind of note over here. What is this note? Just a second. Does it say congrats guy, you have learned the basic of Python? Oh wait, you have. Everyone, congratulations watching this video right now, watching my channel. You all have learned Python, the basic of Python right now. So yes, you all have learned Python now. So now there's this little bit of news I would like to give all of you. So as I just told in the starting, so I'm just going to be giving you that, but after a minute. I'm just going to be showing you what you can do if you like this video, and if you really want if you really don't want to miss out on further upcoming videos just like this, you have to go in your browser and search for Programmer's Point. You can search on YouTube also. It will open up the same thing. When you come over here, you should see this amazing banner down here. Programmer's Point, 21 subscribers. 21 subscribers is a great number of subscribers for me. Thank you everyone who have subscribed. I really do hope that all of you have understood Python. If you are just new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bells. You can also watch my first and second part of the Python programming video. This is going to be the third part, the end of the Python course, basic course. So yes, now let's come to the news I wanted to give all of you. So there is another YouTuber called Beast Programmer, if you didn't know him, and he is absolutely amazing. He teaches Python also. He just started today, but he wants to do a collab with me in a few days. So I agreed. we're going to do a collab of Python, advanced Python, which is going to be very good. And but unfortunately, we're going to do it in Hindi. Hindi is a language, if you didn't know that. So yeah, there is going to be a very good course on YouTube, free of cost, and everyone on this channel is welcome to watch the videos. So right now you can also visit Beast Programmers YouTube page. There we go. This is Beast Programmer's page. Don't forget to subscribe to him as well and turn on his notification bells. He's going to be posting videos on it very regularly, very frequently. So yeah, that's what I was trying to say to all of you. Don't forget to see the playlist which we're going to post on the advanced Python. By saying that, I would like to say goodbye to all of you. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.